My name is Lynn Miller, and I'm the Criminal Justice Technology Advisor and Chairperson at Albany Technical College, and I have 30 years combined experience in the field. Within the Criminal Justice program at Albany Technical College, students are prepared for exciting careers in the correctional field, as well as the law enforcement, policing field, victim services fields, court clerk, court services fields. We offer associate's degrees, diplomas, as well as certificates for the criminal justice program. The program focuses on teaching students to be prepared for a job within the field of criminal justice. Police officers are prepared to process crime scenes, testify in court, also to drive an emergency response vehicle, and be prepared to make judgment calls when it comes to the use of deadly force. One of the most exciting points about our program is the ability for us to bring the classroom to life using real-world experiences, such as using our courtroom. We also have a firearms simulator, a driving simulator. We have a number of equipment that we use to, again, bring the textbook to life. At Albany Technical College, the Criminal Justice Technology program offers several articulation agreements with universities throughout the state of Georgia. Many of our students branch off from criminal justice and go into fields of study like forensic science, cybercrime investigation, victimology, and criminology. I even have some students that go on to law school. If you find yourself at home watching true crime television or Law and Order, or maybe you're already working in the criminal justice field and you'd like to advance your career, come see us at Albany Technical College. The Criminal Justice Technology program will get you where you need to be.